In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively work with repeaters on your website editor. This video is ideal for anyone looking to enhance their web design skills by adding dynamic, repeating items to their pages. Let's dive in and ensure you get the most out of this powerful feature. First and foremost, let's talk about how to add a repeater to your page. Start by focusing your attention on the left side of your editor screen and locate the button labeled Add Elements. Click on this button to open a range of options that you can incorporate into your design. Among these options, find and select Layout Tools. Within Layout Tools, you'll see an option for repeaters. Click on this to choose a suitable repeater design for your page. Then simply drag the repeater onto your page where you want it to be. Now that you have your repeater on the page, you might be wondering how to manage the items within it. To begin managing your repeater items, click to select the repeater you've added. Notice at the top right corner of your editor, there's an icon dubbed the Open Inspector. Click this icon to reveal more detailed options for your repeater. Within the inspector, you'll find a section dedicated to managing items, specifically beside the number of items in the repeater. Click on Manage. Here, you have several management choices available. If you want to duplicate an item to keep consistency while populating more data, select the item you wish to duplicate, then click Duplicate Item found at the bottom of this management section. If you need to remove an item that's no longer necessary, simply click the More Actions icon next to the item and select Delete. If renaming is your task, again, head over to the More Actions icon beside the item and click Rename. An important tip to remember is that renaming one item automatically renames the other items within the same repeater, allowing for uniformity across your site. Lastly, if you feel the need to reorder items within the repeater, hold the reorder icon next to the desired item and drag it to your preferred position. Finally, let's delve into how to design a repeater so that it matches the aesthetics of your page perfectly. Begin by selecting an individual repeater item. With your item selected, click the Open Inspector icon again at the top right to access Design Options. Under the Design section, you'll have various customization tools at your fingertips. Here, you can adjust colors, fonts, sizes, and much more, so your repeater aligns seamlessly with your website's overall theme. By following these steps, you'll find that using repeaters can significantly enhance both the functionality and the visual appeal of your web page. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you in leveraging repeaters to their full potential. Stay creative and see you in the next video.